was our first morning in Tokyo, so of course we had to go get some Mr. Donut. Maybe fuck around, get some breakfast hot dogs. Do you want to explain what the thing is, Jim?
It's a real Akuma lottery at Lawson.
And you got 2 little cups. You just happen to get the exact same letter twice. But you can win like plates. You can win like the thing where they get their
They had little slippers.
they have slippers. But you got 2 little mugs.
I wanted the slippers though. I really wanted the slippers.
And each one of these was like $6. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
Drop it right away. You like it?
Cool. Yeah.
Nice. Where are we going to next?
Sanrio gift gate.
Let's go.
That's a physical. Actually,
It's right over here. Alright, now that we're done with the Sanrio gift gate, and I got Jam some presents for our anniversary that's coming up, we're going to Sunshine City. We gotta go to that Pokemon Center. There's a bunch of stuff from last time that I regret not getting that I have to go back and get. Like that Pikachu kimono thing. The Pikachu in a kimono.
There was a pretty big line.
Okay. Do you see that statue up there? Let's get closer to it. What position is that? We're in Ikebukuro, which is like a really good place to go if you want to do like nerd type stuff here. You can do a lot of UFO catchers, but there's also stores where you can buy stuff from UFO catchers if you're like me and can't win them. And Sunshine City's here, so we're gonna go to the Pokemon Center in just a bit. There she is. Which one did you get? Oh, that's so cute. That's like the best one. The theme over there is like the little sailors. That's cute. Oh, these are like little 3D puzzles. There it is.
Oh shit, I don't think I got that.
Can you use Japanese cards on your phone?
There's more use of guns in the American cards. Pikachu Glock version.
Mob Psycho!
Oh shit. Wait, from where?
I don't know. Let's find out. What is this?
It's a churro?
We walked by a churro place and they have, this is like the first time I'm seeing Mob Psycho stuff. And you buy a little churro that Mob bent and you get a little coaster. So then I had to buy one of these too. Let's see. I'm gonna open this one. This is the coaster I got. He has a different name than I'm used to the dub. I got the same one.
Did you? Oh wow.
I'm fine with that though. That's cool.
That is cute.
Oh. Who wants some churro?
Me.
He's like, I don't even want this.
I'll take the first bite.
Ooh, we've been walking around Ikebukuro all day. My feet are fucking tired. We don't really have anything planned for the rest of the day. We've just been walking around. What do you want to do after this?
I don't know. I don't really have money.
Me neither. We spent all our money at the Pokemon Center. How much do you have left?
About like 20 bucks.
I think I have $20 too. And it's only 6 o'clock. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building has a viewing floor for free. So that's where we decided to go to close out the night. And on a clear day, you can actually see Mount Fuji from it.
Oh, I think I fucked it up.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you next time.